Inhale, arms up to look hands, so look thumbs. Exhale, down. Okay, head and chest up, come up halfway. Hands on the floor, so you can step or jump back, high plank, shoulders above the hands. You can come down from the knees if you like, or come straight down, legs and the hip off. Up dog, front of the feet on the floor, so squeeze your abdominal muscle in, look up. Down dog. Okay, hands ahead. Push your tailbone up in from the nose, out from the nose. Okay, now from here we do low crescent pose. Okay, now kick up the right leg, then swing the arm, bring your shoulders forward, then plant the foot between the hands or behind the hands. Okay, you put back knee down, so left knee is on the floor, come up. Okay, put both hands on the front knee, then just sink your hip for one breath. Then come up, square the hip. Okay, now if you need some padding under the knee, if you double your mat, then just a little extra cushion. Okay, both arms up, shoulders level, look straight. Okay, then from here, bring your left elbow across. Put your left elbow on the right side. Okay, so you're twisting left elbow on the right side. Bring your palms together, push your hands to each other. Keep your top elbow lifted. So keep pushing your hands to each other. So hands in this position. Okay, stay long spine. Okay, hands on the floor, big step back. Down dog. Okay, we do the other side. Kick up the left leg. Swing the arm. So bring your shoulders forward, big step. Right knee down, come up. Okay, so if you want to double the mat to do so, so put the hand on the knee, sink the hip. Come on. Okay, square the hips, square the shoulders, both arms up, low crescent pose. Okay, now twist. So bring your right elbow across. So right elbow on the left side. Bring the hands together. So keep your top elbow lifted. Keep pushing your hands to each other. Breathe. Okay, put your hands on the floor. Big step back to down dog. Okay. Then step or jump, land between the hands. Legs straight, head up. Head down. Hand come up. And arms down.